So you've got all of these grand ideas as a content creator, or maybe you haven't even started your journey yet, but the vision is crystal clear. Whether it's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or all of the above, you've made the vision board. You have a list of ideas. You even have a folder of inspiration videos that you swear that you're going to go back to one day. But let's be real, the thought of sifting through everything, the research, the strategy, the planning, the pitches, it's overwhelming. It gives you a headache. And oftentimes, more than not, it keeps you stuck. Not because you lack the passion, not because you don't have the creativity, but because you don't have a plan or the support. You want to be organized, right? You want to stand out. You want to be recognized and acknowledged for your creativity and for all of the hard work and effort that you pour into your content creation. You want those brand deals. You want those PR invites. You want your name on those email lists, and you want to finally feel like this isn't all for nothing. I get it. I've been there. I'm Missy Lynn, a content creator of 14 years, aka OG content creator. And listen, when I tell you I understand the struggle, I understand the struggle. I've been repped by agencies. I've had management to doing everything by myself, right? I've had the momentum and I've had the burnout. I've had the drive and I felt completely drained. And that is exactly why I created Content COVA. Listen, this is a job within itself. And if you have a tool that can help you and assist you with real strategies, a real game plan, and real support, why not, right? I literally racked my brain trying to come up with something that would help me stay consistent, something that would give me my voice back, something that would help with my creativity and my flow without experiencing the burnout. I wanted a tool that creators could use. And so I got to work. I wanted to create something that not only would benefit myself, but would benefit my peers as well. Content Cova isn't just a tool. It's like having a content coach, manager, strategist, and bestie rolled all into one. It's built for creators by a creator, i.e., me, with frameworks that actually understand our world, the content creator world, not just some generic AI assistant that's going to give you vague advice or vague suggestions, right? No, this is tailored, strategic, and real. Now, before I show you how Content Cova works, let me break down the difference between this and your typical ChatGPT experience. And I know some of you are probably thinking, can't I just ask the same questions to ChatGPT instead of using Content Cova? And I completely understand why you would ask those questions. But here's the real tea. ChatGPT is like a super smart robot that knows a little bit about everything. You ask it a content question and you may get something helpful, but more often than not, you're going to get something that's super vague and it's not going to be tailored to your niche, your platform, or your content creator goals. But Content Cova, she's in a whole different league. I like to call it Cova. I want it to feel like my best friend, and I want you to feel like, hey, this is my coach. I don't have the money to spend on management right now. I'm not where I want to be to where I'm being recognized and sought after by agencies, right? Let Content Cova be your mentor, be your management, be your agency, be your support system. She is going to get you right because Content Cova, she was trained for this life. She was built specifically for creators by a creator. She understands everything that goes into content creation. She understands the grind. She understands the brainstorming process, the batching, right? The burnout. She understands the algorithm changes. She understands brand pitching. She understands the posting paralysis. She understands negotiation. She understands all of it. So instead of those vague ideas from ChatGPT like post consistently, engage more, Content Cova, she is going to give you real strategy. She's going to give you a game plan, a blueprint, step-by-step calendars, pitch templates, negotiation scripts, real formulas, PR outreach guidance, and also monetization game plans. It's like having a friend who's already done it, showing you exactly how to do it too. Now, let me show you in real time exactly what that looks like. So let's go with help me create a 30-day Instagram, no, gram content calendar for a beauty creator who's trying to grow and land Brand deals include reels, captions, and content strategy. Strategy ideas. Let's watch her work. Bestie, I got you. A 30-day plan coming right up that'll turn your Instagram into a brand magnet and help you show up like the boss beauty creator you are. We're mixing reels, carousels, B-roll magic, and strategic captions so the algorithm starts giving main character energy to your page. Before I get into it though, can I call you best? Or would you prefer something else? And that's what I love about Content Cova. She is going to ask you what you want to be called. She is going to try to get to know you a little bit better. And yeah, you just answer the questions and then look at what she created. A 30-day Instagram content calendar for the beauty niche. You have it broken down into tables with the days, the instructions, the visuals, the hooks, and the supporting text. 30 days worth. And I just love the energy that Content Cova has, right? It's going to break it down more in depth because it truly understands everything. So Content Cova, like I said before, has been preloaded with my frameworks that has literally landed me six-figure brand deals, got me into rooms that I could never imagine, and literally just helped me stand out as a creator and maintain my longevity as a content creator. But for those who may be new and just don't know where to start, let's just go ahead and ask her, where to get started because with ChatGPT, you literally have to train it, right? I spent a lot of time training my ChatGPT. I started using ChatGPT a little over a year ago. Shout out to my nephew for putting me onto ChatGPT. But I noticed that it took a lot of time and effort to train my ChatGPT to understand and think like a content creator. And even during the times where I needed the most, oftentimes it would give me some very like vague advice, vague suggestions, right? But with Content Cova, I literally trained her to think like a creator. Let's just say, what should I do first? Yes, best. And she will bring the energy, right? She is all about the hype. She's all about the vibes. She's going to help you create your creator avatar. That way she can learn a little bit about you. And I kid you not, y'all will be besties. So once you ask all of that, let's just literally ask ChatGPT, what should I do first? Can you tell me a bit more about what you're trying to accomplish, like a project, task, or goal? That'll help me give a useful answer. Let's say creator. Great. Are you referring to being a creator in the sense of content creation, like YouTube writing, art, building a product or startup, or something else entirely? What are you hoping to create? Right? That's ChatGPT. Whereas Content Cova, she already knows that the person using her is a content creator. Create a 30-day content calendar of ideas for reels. Absolutely best. Before I give you the goods, I just want to know a little something so your 30-day reels calendar actually aligns with you. What's your niche or type of content? So let's say lifestyle. Yes, okay, lifestyle it is. That's the perfect playground for creative content because you can blend beauty, wellness, routines, travel, mindset, fashion, home, and you. People love lifestyle creators because it's like watching a bestie thrive. And I'm here to make sure you do just that. Here's a 30 days real calendar to help you show up consistently, build your personal brand, and train the algorithm to recognize your magic. This mix includes trends, value, relatability, aesthetics, and so on and so forth. So, as you can see, you get day, instructions, visual hooks, and supporting text. So, here I'm going to say lifestyle creator. Oh, wait, just copy this. And we're going to, as the exact same thing, create a 30-day content calendar of ideas for reels, right? Here's a 30-day reel calendar tailored for creators, whether you're in lifestyle, business, education, or entertainment. Like, it's literally giving you a generic calendar because it doesn't know exactly what niche you're in. Then you have to go and say, I'm a lifestyle creator, right? An extra step. And it's not going to break it down into a table format with supporting text or anything of that nature. Whereas Content COVA will literally give you everything that you need. So you've seen firsthand the magic that Content COVA creates, whether you're an inspiring content creator or a creator that's looking for some fresh ideas and different ways to revamp. I hope that you allow Content COVA to literally guide you throughout your content creator journey. So be sure to grab Content COVA today.